Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I'm the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and welcome to the mid-month check-in for August 2026, another year of the make-along. So this month's theme is single skein projects. Unfortunately, I am running a little behind on working on things. I have worked on things, though. For me personally, it has just been 2 pairs of socks. So the first pair here is Bougie New Year from Hypnotic Yarn along with Cascade Heritage. And these will be socks for my husband. And I got these started at the end of July. And then at the beginning of July, I started trying to work on my husband's Christmas socks. These are Cascade Heritage and Knit Picks Felici and Buddy. And still not finished. So it has been a little hectic here. August through mid-September right now is already pretty much booked out. So it's going to be continuing to be busy for me for the next couple weeks, at least the next 4 weeks. So we're just going to inhale and we're going to take ourselves a deep breath. And we're just going to roll with those punches because she's laughing and she is laughing real fast. So that is where I am. Now, you guys have made way more progress on the single skein projects for this month. So let's check out what you guys have been working on. Again, if you guys want to enter your pictures, feel free to email them to me, put them in the Facebook group or up in the Ravelry group. They are, all places, all good sources. I love sharing your works in progress and finished objects as well. It's so much fun to see what you guys have been working on. And when I give you a theme like this, you guys just, and I never know what you are going to make. It's so exciting for me. Anyway, I love you guys. I hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day. Again, thank you so much for participating in the make-alongs with me, and I look forward to seeing you real soon. Bye, guys.